Montreal, snowfall. Montreal, snowfall.
Oh boy, Montreal's weather has been really crazy this past couple of weeks. Today we'll try to figure out a logic behind the weather of Montreal during winter time. So far it's been crazy out here with the snowstorm, the rain, the ice, which keeps us, well, you get the point. Looking at the last 2 years of snowfall, well, we've already had the wildest November and the best December so far. The winter caught up to us in Jan 2019 and it's hitting us hard. And I think in February it's gonna get worse because we had such a nice December. However, you can see that January 2019 is not as bad as January 2018. But then in 2018 you had the December that was really crazy. But overall, speaking of the weather conditions in terms of snowfall, we're much lower than last year and also doing better than 2017. But it is really bad because obviously a snowstorm is a snowstorm and ice is ice and it keeps us falling in. But this gives us a good perspective on the historic data. Next we look at the snow on the ground. This is all the way from 1994 onward, looking only at the month of January and the amount of snow that's on the ground. And as you can see, 1998, 2001 and 2008 were the worst, with the highest centimeter snow on the ground. Looking at 2019, we're averaging about 18 centimeters of snow. What's winter without wind chill? I love the snowfalls without the wind, but the wind chills, oh my god, those are the worst. December 2018 has been one of the coldest winters, and 2018, as you can see, 2017 was a little more worse than what we're facing today, but it's about the same. 36 and minus 40, it's really cold. I remember last year it was so cold that we had the same temperature at one point as Antarctica. Now let's take a look at a compilation of how winter has treated us through the years. Enjoy!